Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, this follows when we have a times a, which can be written as a squared. This same thing multiplying, you can write it as 5 raised to power x all squared equals to 50 on this side. Then this follows when we have a raised to power m raised to power n. This same thing as a raised to power mn. So this here we have 5 raised to power 2x equals to 50 on this side. The next step here, we take the log on both sides. That is, here we have log 5 raised to power 2x equals to log 50 on this side. The next step here, we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p, this same thing as p log m. That is, here, what we have becomes 2x log 5 equals to log 50 from here. That is, next step here, we divide both sides by log 5. That is, divide this side by log 5. Also, divide this side by log 5, which implies here log 5 cancelled each other here, and we have 2x equals to log 50 over log 5. The next step here, also 50 can be expressed as 5 times 10, which implies we have 2x equals to log 5 times 10 over log 5. Then this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, this same thing as log a plus log b. This here we have 2x equals to log 5 plus log 10 over log 5. Then here we separate this into two fractions. We have 2x equals to log 5 over log 5 plus log 10 over log 5. Then here, log 5 cancelled each other. We have 1 left here, which implies 2x equals to 1 plus log 10 over log 5. That is, next step here, also 10 can be written as 5 times 2. And what we have becomes 2x equals to 1 plus log 5 times 2 over log 5. This also follows when we have log a times b, which is same thing as log a plus log b. That is, here we have 2x equals to 1 plus log 5 plus log 2 over log 5. Then we separate this into two fractions. We have 2x equals to 1 plus log 5 over log 5 plus log 2 over log 5. And here log 5 cancel each other, 1 left here, and this becomes 2x equals to 1 plus 1, that's 2, then plus log 2 over log 5. Then here we apply change of base. That is, when we have log a over log b, this is the same thing as log a to base b. This here we have 2x equals to 2 plus log 2 base 5. And here we divide both side by 2. Divide this side by 2. Also divide this side by 2. Here 2 cancel each other here. This becomes x equals to 2 plus log 2 base 5 all over 2. We have the value of x here. Then let's check if this satisfies this given problem. This will substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 2 plus log 2 base 5 all over 2. That is, here we have 5 raised to power 2 plus log 2 base 5 all over 2 times also 5 raised to power 2 plus log 2 base 5 all over 2 is equals to 50 on this side. That is, here. This follows when same base multiplying a raised to power n times a raised to power n is same thing as a raised to power n plus n, which is 2n. This we can write it as 5 raised to power 2 times 2 plus log 2 base 5 all over 2 is it equals to 50 on this side. And this power multiplies. 2 here cancel with each other. We have 5 raised to power 2 plus log 2 base 5 is it equals to 50 on this side. We follow the law of indices here. When we have a raised to power n plus n, this same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. This becomes 5 square times 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 is it equals to 50 on this side. And 5 square here, 5 times 5, that's 25 times. This follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. That is, here we have 2. This is equals to 50 on this side. That is 25 times 2, that's 50, which is equals to 50 from here. We have left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude that x equals to 2 plus log 2 base 5 all over 2 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos, turn the notification bell on, share this video, give a thumbs up and put a comment, and also join our membership package for access to more videos and exclusive perks. And thank you. See you in our next class, and bye for now.